Hi guys, a quick tutorial, actually a hack for Vauxhall Corsa, and I suppose it works for the Astra or any other or some of the models anyway. I have a problem to take it out of parking and put it into drive when the engine is on. So I need to fiddle with the shifter and the injection and the brake to somehow get it out of the parking and put it in neutral, and then can start the engine. And that's been going on now for 6 or 7 months. I have another video which I'm gonna link on the bottom in the description to check how to solve this, but now we find a definite solution. I took it to Vauxhall, and without checking the car, they said, oh, that is a Vauxhall problem, and that's gonna cost you between 400 and 500 pounds, which really pissed me off. Now, without knowing what it is, you can't possibly say that what the problem is. Anyway, I left Vauxhall. I was really angry, and then I found a great guy was recommended to me, called Wrights on Cheshunt High Street. And I went in there, and the guy said, okay, let me have a quick look. And I said, yeah, you know, but maybe it's complicated, you should diagnostics. And he said, no, don't worry, let me just open it up. So this is the solution for it, and this was the problem, and you can solve it with 1 cent or 1 penny, yeah, and the cable tie. That's it. You can do it at home on your own, no stress. Now check this out. What is happening here? You need to take this bit off, which comes very easily. So this is absolutely not a problem. And what's happening? Let me put on the torch. What's happening here? You will find this yellow little security thing somehow put it in there, and with this the AA man or someone who picks you up from the road, if you have this problem, you can this is like a security thing. You can fix the problem. But this was also fallen inside. Now what's happening here? There where the cable tie is, you see that cable tie there? This is a solenoid. This, you can see the white bit of the solenoid, and the solenoid is broken. So this is like an electromagnet which is pulling giving the shifter the information that you can take it out of parking. Now this was broken, so all we did, we put a cable tie, we pulled that solenoid out. You can see the white bit of the solenoid. This is this is the white end. That little bit here is the white end of the solenoid. We just pulled it out and put a cable tie in here. Now basically the solenoid doesn't need to pull and push or anything. This is standardly pulled out. It will not damage anything in the car, and you saved yourself a lot of money. Now, fixing this problem properly to change the solenoid cost about 200 pounds. So do not take it to Vauxhall. So if you're in the UK and in the London area or southeast, send me a message. I'm gonna send you the address of this guy. You go there, he's amazing. He's gonna sort it out for you. I paid him £10. He said, pay me a drink. I said, okay, he's a tenner. And it was a 3-minute job. Now, this is also a very important bit. If you take that cover off, yeah, and you find this stuff here somewhere, yeah, somewhere attached here. I don't know exactly where it's going, because obviously now we took it out. Then you can pull this solenoid out by turning it that way. It's difficult to see if it's with the camera. It's very difficult. But as I said, this was fallen into that hole there. That was fallen into this hole there, right there. So we had to dig it out, and we don't want it, because every single time I have a problem, I need to take this lid off. So the solution is here, to put a cable tie on the solenoid, and it will work. Now, this is one of the problem where you cannot take it out of parking. The first thing you should check, which I've been told the mechanic, if your brake lights are working or not. If your brake lights are not working, you have a problem with the switch, with the braking switch. There is a switch which is combined with that shift lever. So if the brake lights are not working, then forget about doing this. Then you need to change the switch in the switch. Now, I hope that helped. It changes my life completely, because for 6 months we've been fiddling before we wanted to go anywhere, and now it works absolutely fine. Now all you need to do, just pop this whole thing back. Just pop this back. It's very, very easy. It's no screws, nothing. Well, should be easy anyway. Make sure you don't trap any wires or anything. Right, that's back. And it perfectly, check this out, no problem, you can do whatever you want. Of course you still have to pull up that shift, yeah, but now obviously even without the key you can put it anywhere you want. Now again, this is maybe not the perfect solution. If you have the 200 pounds and you wanna spend it, then put in a new solenoid and then you have it. Then obviously it will only start when you put in the key and stuff. But look, this is a 10 years old car. I'm not gonna spend a 200 pounds on something like that. So a quick solution for very, very little money. I hope you enjoyed the video. Share, like and comment. Adios, gringos.